Here are ways you can earn money online in 2021. First off is Fiverr. Fiverr is probably one of the easiest ways you can earn money online. I myself have actually earned money on Fiverr last year, so it's very doable. It'll take time till you get your first sale though, so be patient and just make sure your gigs are searchable. You can do this by adding tags and having gigs that you think people are in need of right now. As for the potential earnings on Fiverr, you won't believe this. Some people have earned. Realistically talking though, you won't immediately earn hundreds and thousands. I tried Fiverr last year and I earned, but your earnings and gig demand will all depend on your niche, how much traffic you have, do you share your gigs online on other social media platforms, do you have good tags? So give it a try because it really is a great way to earn money online. If you want to try Fiverr but aren't sure how to start, comment down below and I'll make a video tutorial on that to help you out. Okay, on to the next one. Episodes. So believe it or not, you can actually earn money from this game. If you love writing fanfics or stories, you should definitely try this out. All you have to do is go to Episode's website, write multiple stories, and once you meet their threshold, you can start, in a way, monetizing your stories. I found out that one of the best ways to bring traffic to your own stories is to start an Instagram or a Facebook page for it, or even post them on YouTube, along with the gameplay. Then people will be discovering your stories and you could get monetized. It's almost like YouTube but fanfic version. Potential earnings. Some people have earned up to, can you believe that? Just from writing stories. As a fanfic writer myself, I find that very appealing. The only thing is that it does take a lot of time and effort, which is difficult if you're busy with working or you're a busy college student like me. If that's the case, then let's move on to the next one. Now this one is one of my favorite ways to earn money. If you like to play video games, believe it or not, there are actually Facebook groups that you can join that buy and sell rare game items. Here's an example. I'm in a buy and sell trade group for Fallout 76. In here, people actually make real money. All you have to do is make deals with one another. Just make sure not to scam or be scammed. And if you plan to do this, make sure you let the buyer pay first and be true to your word in giving them the rare item. It's really that simple. Now, here's the potential earnings for this. And I actually saw a guy here who said that he was earning up to $200 a day, which is, I'm not sure if he was lying, but he was really active in posting what he was selling in the game. So I think it's possible. It definitely might be difficult because you might have some haters, but there will also definitely be some people who are willing to pay for what you have. In connection to playing video games again, streaming, of course. Trust me, it's not too late to be a streamer. I started streaming in 2019, but I stopped for the entire of 2020 because I thought it was too late. I didn't take it seriously. I only started taking it seriously this year, and just last week, with only less than 300 followers, I got my first donation. So I'm telling you, it's not too late. And if you spend most of your time playing games, might as well stream them all and earn some money, right? Redbubble. Redbubble is a website where people can sell their art on things, kind of like print on demand. However, a lot of people on Redbubble don't even sell things that are 100% their art. As long as you put your own twist to it. Add your own creativity in some way, and just make sure you're not breaking any laws. So this is actually my partner's work. Luckily, I told him to do Queen's Gambit just a week before it blew up, because as someone who grew up playing chess, I had already fallen in love with the show. And perfect timing because it blew up in the following weeks. And through that, my partner earned sales. Redbubble is kind of hard and easy at the same time. For example, for my partner, it took them almost a year to get their first sale. They tried doing many things, but this is the one that blew up for them. You just need to try, learn, and improve. There are many videos on YouTube on how to do Redbubble, so you can check all of those out. And as for the potential earnings, some people have earned, and there are even a couple of people who have gone full-time on Redbubble. Grow an Instagram, and then let small businesses pay you to promote their product on your Instagram. If you don't know how to grow an Instagram fast, again, there are many videos on YouTube on that, and even I have videos on the topic of growing an Instagram, which you can check out on my channel. Also, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me too. YouTube, of course, I just have to recommend YouTube. Depending on your niche, growing on YouTube is not as hard as you think. It just takes time and a lot of dedication and research. Research and observe how your own favorite YouTubers have grown. There are also many videos on YouTube on the topic of how to grow a YouTube. And in fact, you can earn money on this platform even without being monetized yet, by just selling something, which is how other people do it. I even saw this one guy on Reddit said that he gained 1,000 subscribers in 11 days, and here's the actual proof for it. And this guy's videos are on the topic of stocks, which makes sense why he grew so fast, because lately a lot of people are searching about stocks due to the pandemic and everything that's happening in the world. Now, as for the potential earnings as a YouTuber, if for some reason you don't want to try any of these ways that I've said on how to make money, you can basically make money by doing something for someone, a type of service. Just make sure it's legal, okay? One of the things that people value the most in their lives is time. That's why people pay to have others do the work for them. Example, some people don't want to do their homework. You can have them pay you to do it for them. But this is just an example. However, if in case you are thinking of doing this, it isn't illegal by law, but just keep in mind that schools consider it as cheating and plagiarism. So you have to be aware of the possible consequences. Some can get expelled. That being said, I myself have actually tried doing homework for other people, and this is how much money I earned from all of that. So that's it, and if there's any topic on money or making money online that you'd like me to cover, please comment down below so I can make a video on that and help you out with what you need. Stay safe!